Important, this isn't investment or financial advice. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research. Hello and welcome to episode 31. It's been 201 days of this proof of stake mining experiment. Placed $250 in each of these coins to find out which one profits and stakes the most. If you want to find out more, click in the playlist in the description below. And before we check our wallets, let's have a look at the current markets at the moment. So we're back. It's having a bit of a spike in the entire market cap. We're back to 303 billion. We've got a BTC dominance of 43%. Things perhaps are looking slightly up. Bitcoin's above $7,500 at the moment. There's 11% rise in Bitcoin. And pretty much everything is in green, which looks kind of promising. I think the year end has come to a close, so perhaps investors are pouring their money back into cryptocurrency. My personal opinion, I'm not holding my breath. I believe there might be another dip coming along. I hope I'm wrong though, but I'm not keeping my hopes up too much because it does seem to me a bit manipulated. As you can see, let's have a look at Bitcoin at the moment. So if we go into the last 7 days, this spike here just looks too artificial to me, and perhaps in a few days we're going to see another dip in the price, because I believe some investors are actually going long at the moment, and then they're going to short it perhaps a bit later. I hope I'm wrong. I hope it's a huge bull run though, but we shall see in the near future. Let's have a look at our wallet. So here we have Rain, and since the 5th of April, we've had one stake here on the 7th, and that gives us 87.70 Rain, which is actually quite low in comparison to what we were receiving before. Like, we were getting around 300, 400. Now it's gone down quite a lot actually in terms of staking. So perhaps they've changed the algorithm, who knows. So we've got Renos, and again we've got a few coins that we staked here. So since the 5th we've got Renos is pretty consistent in staking, I have to say. And so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that gives us 15 times 0.9. I don't know what that is. I'll do that calculation a bit later. So, but 15 stakes of Renos is pretty good. And we're on to Syndicate as well. So Syndicate wallet is still showing all these orphan blocks. I'm not too sure. Perhaps they're going to fix that with their fork upcoming. Not fork, I think they're doing a coin swap, so they're probably moving onto a brand new blockchain altogether to fix this orphan issue. But here we have 1, 2 stakes, 3, 4, and that's everything. Actually, that's pretty low for Syndicate actually. So 4 stakes gives us 20 Syndicate coins. Neutron, we've had 1 stake here, 5.9, which isn't too bad, pretty solid. Bean Cash, so since the 5th we've had no stakes actually, which is quite surprising. And for Blackcoin we've had 0 stakes. Redcoin, we've had 0 stakes for this. And for our Neon wallet, we can claim 0.023 gas. I'm just gonna claim that. Neos, we've had 1 stake here on the 6th. It gives us 0.45 Neos. And finally, exclusive coin we've had since the 5th, we've had 3 stakes, that gives us 1.5 exclusive coin. And that is it. I'm going to go on to the next wallets. So here we are in our next wallet, and 808. So since the 5th, we've had 1 orphan block, so we don't receive that. We've had 1 stake here that gives us 21,137.28, and that's it. I think that's all the stakes for 808. And another orphaned block here. So yep, just the 1 stake. Mint coin, so we've had 0 stakes since the 5th. ARC, so we've received 1 stake here, so it's in American format, these dates, so it's the 9th of April here, and we've received 0.42. Very nice. Finally, we've received a stake. It's been some time. So the last stake we received was in March, actually, March 26th. It's been a while. And for Rise, we've had no stakes. And let's have a look at A-Chain. So we've had no stakes since the 5th. Spectcoin. Yeah, no stakes. And Komodo seems to be loading its data, so I don't know what the actual claim I can get yet, but I'll do that a bit later. And Navcoin, we've had no stakes. And in no particular order, here are the stakes we received this week. We've got 808 at 82 cents, Rain at 80 cents, Syndicate at $8.05, Renos at 33 cents, Exclusive Coin at $1.65, Neos Coin at $1.45, ARC at $1.06, Gas at $1.36, Neutron at $1.08, and that's everything. So let's check out the Proof of Stake League, and as you can see, Bean Cash is still #1, hasn't changed for weeks now actually, and because of the price spike that we're having, it's doing a profit of $319.93. That's profit stakes, and it gives us a daily stake average of $1.58, which is pretty good actually. And Syndicate has been second for weeks now also, and with a bit of help from the price spike also, that gives us a daily stake average of $1.78 actually, only if you can get the Syndicate wallet working at the moment. I believe lots of people are having issues with the Syndicate wallet, and there is lots of bugs in that wallet as well, so which is why they are planning to do a coin swap in the near future. I'll keep you updated because that'll be very important. 808 is #3, and that's been #3 for a while now too, so we've got a profit of $59.34 despite having over 1.4 million received in stakes. We're still I think we're still making a loss on this one, so I'm not recommending that one too much. But we can see Neo's coin has gone up 1 position, and we can see Neutron has gone 1 position up as well. So these coins are doing very well in the price spike. Exclusive Coin has gone down 2 positions, and as you can see, other notables, we've got so Gas is at the same position. Nav has gone up 1 position, and Renos has gone down 1 position too. Other than that, pretty much same for everything. I'm going to move on to the overview. Quick look at the proof of stake overview, and we can see, with a bit of help from the cryptocurrency markets at the moment having its price spike, Bean Cash is doing very well with a difference of $854.13, and Syndicate follows very closely behind at $747.92, and even Neutron in number 3 position, doing very well at $249.80 as well. So if we look towards the bottom right hand corner, we can see the last week's episode, we had $939.39, and this week's grand total profit is $1,931.02, which is much healthier than last week. I'm a bit more relieved to see things coming back to normal again, but as you can see, 808 is still massively in deficit, with I'm losing out on $183.91, so definitely can't recommend that right now. Mintcoin follows shortly at the bottom as well, so I'm making a loss of $175.69, only because I purchased that at a very high price. So I'm not saying that's a bad coin, but I just purchased it at the wrong time. And followed by Rain as well, which is also doing a deficit of $172.96, and yes, so there are some losses there. So but don't disregard any of the losses. I mean, I think A-Chain at the moment is pretty good buy. It's pretty cheap at the moment. I believe I purchased it at around 40 cents. So if you want to start staking A-Chain without any sort of leaving your hardware on, I highly recommend that one. I'm not a financial advisor, do your own research, but other notables, ARK looks like a good buy as well. Komodo looks pretty decent buy. However, that wallet is slightly buggy, so I don't recommend it for any newbies out there, but everything else is looking pretty solid. So having a look at the NEO and gas overview, so as you can see, the NEO price is back to $64.94, which is promising, and gas is at $18.51, and the stakes we received for gas is 0.7, which is around $13. And you might be thinking, oh, but $13, I mean, it's nothing in comparison to all the other coins. However, NEO does have a large development team. They are active in community as well, and you can stake this coin without actually having any sort of expensive hardware. You can just stake this on a very, very simple laptop, and plus you don't need to leave your wallet on 24/7, which is why I recommend NEO as a good noob. If you're absolutely new to staking, NEO is a good one to go for. However, it is $64 per NEO, so make sure you have enough change for it if you're gonna go for it. As you can see, going into, if we add on the NEO plus the stakes that we received, that gives us a total of $792.30. And then if we take away our $250 investment that we originally put in, that gives us a pure profit of $542.30, which is pretty good. Here are my personal recommended purchases of this week. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research when purchasing. So I choose these 3 coins. So NEO, because of the simplicity, and it's only $65 now. Before, I think at an all-time high, it almost got to about $300, so it could easily get back to that price. And plus, it's very easy to stake. You just leave one NEO in your Neon wallet, and that's it. Close your computer down, go to sleep, get on with your life, and start staking automatically. You don't need to do anything. A-Chain is also another very good staker as well. Remember, I purchased it at 40 cents. Right now it's 20 cents, so it's like literally half price for you to get in at the moment. Plus, you don't need a special wallet. You can just either download the client itself, or if you have an Android device, you can download the app called Kcash, and you can stake from there. I have personally tried this, and it does indeed work. So that's like perfect. If you don't even have to have a computer, you can just have an Android wallet. And if you're on an iOS device or iPhone, then go out and purchase an Android device. They're very cheap at the moment. You can get one for about $50, $60 online, and you have a dedicated staking mobile phone as well. Then Arc is another good one. So you do have to vote for delegates on Arc, which is, you do have to do a little bit of research, so it's not as straightforward as Neo or A-Chain when it comes to staking. However, it is a good price at the moment, and the UI on the wallet is very, very nice, and the website looks very good as well, and they have a solid dev team. So do think about these purchases. I'm not a financial advisor again. I just believe these are very good prices to get in. If you're new to staking, I would recommend these right now. And that's all we have time for this episode. Remember to subscribe for more updates with that big red button. You can tweet me at AlphaCrypto8, and there's a Discord link which I will provide in the description below. Don't forget to share this video and my channel to all your cryptocurrency friends, family, your girlfriend or boyfriend's family as well, your dog, your cat. I'm trying to get to that 4,000 subscribers, and if I do, I'll be very happy. Okay, take care everyone, I'll see you soon.